Brush is a real problem in Wisconsin. We have lots of different species of invasive brush and native brush that like to crowd out our native prairies. We had a guy working on the four-wheel Brush Rover and he was taking down some pretty good brush and brambles and tall grass, and was able to maneuver around a lot quicker and a little more nimble than our tractors. You really got to have a wide swath to get through, and so it was nice working up close to the house and close to trees, and gave us a lot more flexibility. We're lucky enough to find Orec, put a lot of their equipment to the test, mowed down some pretty big brush and really steep hills, and you could tell everything was made a lot better, you know, more suited for our type of work than the traditional lawn mowers or things that you usually find at the big box stores. So it was nice having Orec come out today and get to try all the different pieces of equipment. We really got to see what they were capable of, and you know, everything seemed really well made, and we were able to take it to the limit, and I think we're going to be buying a couple pieces of equipment in the future.